Kum ke jing benyau bat ke jing bom sngohun halo ka rukom trekam ka sorkar jela MDA kabalalam khamat da seng NPP hapo ke jilam konrad ke sangma kumu mentrang ba ke jela kalapen long ya seng kongres bakan pen sngo halo ke jing siam jongka lengba ke jingkren bat ke jingetai ha ke dorbar mangtingka jongka ying dorbar thawan Habakren sigilat thai kubor u opposition chief whip kalyang persha ubade umali keseng kongres na gambegri constituency u saleng sangma ulong kumba pau menta kani ke sarkar ka shukwa ban pin i ki kam bakale baki dei ki Thymmai rei ka jingsisha kumba long pat ki project ki barim kamla ban Pyndep ya ka balo ainuksa lengba ki school iklavia.
We have already raised about this particular, medical colleges and our projects so many times again and again. But it seems like this government has got new things to come up. Instead of, completing all those pending projects, they are bringing new ideas, building new projects. So that way, I think none of the project is going to get completed. And moreover, for your information, Eklavia was once, I think, being called a tender from the Manipur. It was quite embarrassing actually, once, I think so, by MGCC, Manipur Government Construction Corporation, I think so, by them. So now we are bringing back, it's a good on the part of the government to do so, but again, we are taking lots of time even to initiate here in Meghalaya. I think they're still planning, thinking, to develop the state. They're in that still thinking stage. And then in certain area they're still giving, I think so. So it's the people who sees more than us. So I don't want to judge, as I'm one of the political, leader. And then moreover, as a Congress, we are teaming up to do something changes, and then definitely we'll discuss few issues which we have already discussed, and then we are bringing forth, like for example, our Bachels, he has already brought the issues of power, and then Gabriel, he has brought lots of issues from his constituency. So likewise, we still have got lots of issues which is not attended yet by this government. So they need to, do lots of thinking also.
Usaleng sangma uban salongru kum ukertong MP Natura parliamentary seat na kaseng Congress ulong ba umkwa ban kren nikini kimat kum kamat election henry ui hak jing start ki pai ba ban rai na mar kilatip lut ya kom tre kam ke MDA.
I think already it's been raised on the floor of the House by our members already.
Election?
No, election. I don't want that to be the election issue. All those things. People knows about it, so why you should raise about it? Now our concern is to protect our religion and then our people from the Meghalaya.
Religion means, can you expand? Any suppression?
No. Right now you have seen lots of suppression is going on. You can see in the news, in the YouTubes and all. So it's coming out bluntly. And that day also you have seen one of our sister Rose was, pulled out from the moving bus. Just imagine that one. God forbid nothing had to happen to her. But it was a luck on her part, by God's grace. So I pray that she is always safe, and then she'll be always safe forever.
Habakali kumnu unyakun ni collection hatu kalong kabadon kamban job nakaliang usaleng ulong babaro ki konsi kidei kabadon kamban job batru manla kavut kadei kabadon kam.
It's their choice. If they want to feel it, it's their choice. So we cannot say don't feel it, don't do it, because they are also one of the party. But after all, it's the party who will decide for whom to vote. Yes, definitely that might be, but especially only for the West Bengal area, I think so. Other part of the India, they are not having any talks till now. No, every seat is prestigious because every seat will determine the power of voters and for the people only. So that way you cannot say that Tura is only the prestigious seat. Every voter is a prestigious voter, and then every voter will definitely decide what not to, what not to. And then when you talk about the power and liquors, I don't give liquors during my election also, and I don't give, and I will not give tomorrow also. If somebody wants to drink, go for somebody. I cannot offer drinks to anybody. I may be poor, I may not be poor, but I will never entertain liquors by me and by my team. And then moreover, money, I don't have money. So those who want money, let them go to other party. I don't have money. I just have a prayer, and I can offer a prayer for them. My whole objective is to protect my people, protect Garo Hills, protect Meghalaya, and then protect our religion. That's all. As I've told you, right now lots of issues are going on. Now, UCC, they want to bulldoze us. Now we are talking about the tribal power out here, for example, indigenous, respecting indigenous, tribal people like that. But once UCC and other kind of, bill passes out, then our whole, will be diluted actually. We'll be like following the same rules, same ideology. So that way we cannot do that. So that's why to protect all those things we are here.